So now let's see how we can work around with spot filter inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, let me just go ahead and import out an image. And for that, I'm going to go to import and let's just go around and import out this particular image right here. Let me just go ahead and press OK and then drag out this image, which is a DNG file, as you can see right here. So now, in order to apply the spot filter effect to this particular image, you need to go around under the effects menu and then go around onto camera. And here you can see that spot filter is an option. So once you go around over here, you can go ahead and sharpen up the radius right here. So you can go ahead and increase out the radius right here, just like this and so forth. Let me just go ahead and zoom in right here. And as I go ahead and do that, you can see that I can go ahead and sharpen out the radius. And at the end, you can see that the center part of the image is actually quite blurred out, while the edges are, the center part is actually clean, while the edges are actually blurred out. So you can go ahead and change around the radius as you like right here. Apart from that, you can also work around with feathering right here. So you can go ahead and increase this out right here, just like this. And then apart from that, you can also go ahead and work around with the light fall off as well. So as I were to increase it, you can see that this is what you have right here. And then you get the result. And this is how you can go ahead and focus on a particular spot right here. This is the center, as you can see right here. You can also go ahead and pick the center point by clicking on the crosshair button right here, and then click around over here onto the point where you actually want to focus, and that part will be focused out right there, just like that. So that is how you can utilize the spot filter inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.